In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust clips on TikTok. That is so simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and then tap on that plus icon to begin creating new video. I will use video from my gallery, so I tap on that upload icon and here I select some video, tap next. And then here at the right I select adjust clips feature, it's right here, and now I can trim that video from the start and from the end. Just drag that red lines to the right or to the left to adjust the desired piece of that video that you need, like that, and then just tap on save. And now you may tap next and continue creating your video as you normally do. So now you know how to adjust clips on TikTok, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.